Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I figured I would do a helpful video to help people out. So, my dog, my Pikachon, was bred with a red toy poodle on March the 4th, 2022. And I figured I would do a helpful video and tell everybody what supplies they need for their puppies. So basically what I got for my puppies is I got puppy bottles, puppy milk in case anything goes wrong with her milk. I got medical scissors, I got medical gloves, I got cord clamps, a product that's similar to iodine from my vet. The iodine, you're supposed to wipe the area where the umbilical cord was. And I got, what else did I get? I got a thermometer to check her because sometimes, like 24 hours before she gives birth, her temperature will drop, but not always. My husband built the whelping box, and I got a thermometer for inside of the whelping box. My husband got me some white towels. You need white towels if you're cleaning them and the fluid, you're cleaning them and the fluid comes out and you want to see the color of the fluid. So I got those, and then I got cord clamps. Vaseline. Vaseline is for if the puppy's little butts are raw. That's what that's for. And I got a thermometer for the whelping box. And I'm gonna get some Panocure this weekend for the warmer. And I got the dental floss to tie off the umbilical cord. What else did I get? I'm trying to think. I got the collar, the identity tags, the colored collars that you get. And I got syringes and I think that's about it. But I just wanted to help everyone. Like if they're having a litter of puppies, I wanted to do a review. And if anyone like wants a puppy, my dog Maggie Sue's a Pikachon, and she was bred with a red toy poodle, and I am based in the UK. If anyone like is interested in one, or if they want one, Dad was a beautiful red poodle stud. He's 3 kg, and Maggie Sue is 6 kg. So they will be very small dogs. My little Maggie Sue is the sweetest thing. She is feisty, she's sweet. I just absolutely love her. And the dad is very sweet as well. He is full of life, and he's just a happy little dog, and he's the sweetest thing. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to hop on here and help everybody out. Thank you. And I hope that you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and comment and share and Yeah. Thank you.